What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be unboxing my new microphone. I got it about a week ago but haven't unboxed it, just didn't get the time to. In my previous video I announced that I bought a new mic. I used to use a Blue Yeti microphone earlier, but I sold it in India when I came to Florida. I bought this one for about $99, actually $78 because it was on discount. So if you guys want to pick one up for yourself, I'll drop my affiliate link in the description. If you use that, I'll get some commission and you guys are basically helping the channel out. So let's just unbox this and take a look at how it sounds. So at the front of the box we get the picture of the microphone and it tells you what color you ordered it in. It comes in a bunch of colors. I got it in black, plain old black, because that was on discount and the color really doesn't matter to me. So it says brilliant stereo recording now in your pocket. More pictures on the side. At the back it says something about creators that we are, and the main features are that this mic has an XY mic design that captures perfect stereo. We're gonna test that out. So it has a low-cut filter and auto level controls. That's going to be very useful for me. You can also use it as a USB microphone function. It records on a micro SD card up to 32 gigs. So you have to put a micro SD card in this, which Zoom includes in the box. It also has 10 hours of operation on a single AA battery. One is included, but that's a downside. Like, you have to buy batteries to use this mic. So now let's just open the mic and see what we have in the box. We have some paperwork here. First, let's take a look at the mic. Ooh, the mic is really small. Like, I can fit it in my palm. We have the single AA battery. Okay, so this is the mic. I mean, it is really light. Like, it feels really cheap, to be honest. It's made out of plastic. The buttons are tactile, but in the end, what matters is what goes through this and what comes to your guys' ears. So we have a red record button in the middle. There's a display, so like, it's a black and white display. You can see when your audio is peaking through this light, which is gonna light red. So the speaker is at the bottom. So at the bottom here is a tripod mount, so you can mount it using a hot shoe on top of your camera or to a tripod. On the left we have the USB in port to use it as a USB mic for like voiceovers. This is the on off switch. That's the trash button, so if you want to delete the recording, play, pause, forward and rewind. You can change the input levels using this, and it has an inline port, so you can attach additional microphone like a lavalier microphone. That's about it for the mic. We have the micro SD card with the adapter. You can basically put this into the adapter and then put the adapter into your computer. So this is the manual, or like the how-to guide. Okay guys, so the audio you're listening to right now is coming from the Zoom H1 handy recorder. That was my unboxing. This is an audio test, so you can listen for yourself how it sounds and let me know in the comments if it sounds any better or sounds worse than my previous videos. I'll learn how to use this microphone over time. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. If you found it to be helpful or enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for the review of this microphone and also my future videos. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Sam and I'll catch you in the next one.